Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to prepare stuffed masala idli. अब अगर आप नॉर्मल इडली खाकर बोर हो गए हो तो इस रेसिपी को ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिएगा. See the texture, it is so soft. So without wasting time, let's get started to the recipe. So take a bowl here. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of सूजी. अगर आपकी सूजी थोड़ा मोटा है तो आप उसको पीस के यूज़ कर सकते हैं. और मैं अब डाल रही हूँ 1.5 cup of curd, thick curd. Whisk it well. Now you may feel that it is too thick, but it's okay. Now you add half teaspoon of salt here and mix it well. After mixing, let us keep this mixture to set. So I'm keeping it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let us prepare for the masala. Here I'm taking a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute cumin seeds until nice aroma arises. And then I'm going to add half chopped onions. Saute it. After that, I'm going to add 1 inch chopped ginger and 6 to 7 pods of chopped garlic here and 2 chopped green chilies. So mix it well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you like too spicy, you can add more. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'm mixing it well now. Mix for at least for 1 minute. Saute it and then add green peas. I'm adding half cup of green peas. You can add your choice of veggies, but I like to add green peas here. You can even add only potatoes. Now I'm adding 2 large potatoes, boiled potatoes. So mix it well. Once it has mixed well, now you can add salt as per taste. I'm adding half teaspoon because I have already added while boiling the potatoes. So I'm adding half teaspoon of salt here and then I'm adding half teaspoon of dry mango powder. Mix it well. Once the mixture has mixed well, you can add coriander leaves at the last and switch off your flame. So mix it well and switch off your flame. Now let's check this. The batter is too thick. Now we have to add little bit of water. Be careful while adding the water because the batter should not be too thin or too thick. It should be like a idli batter consistency. So be careful while adding. Okay, now the mixture is in the right consistency. See the consistency. Okay, now I'm adding half teaspoon of baking soda here. I'm adding baking soda at the end. So note that you have to add baking soda at the end. And then now take a idli maker. Now you have to grease the idli maker using oil. So I'm greasing it using oil. And then I'm adding half of the batter in each slots. Not more than half, just half. So I'm adding all the batter. Now take little amount of stuffing, roll it on your palm, flatten it and then place inside this in between. Now at the top you have to add little bit of batter. It should not be more, otherwise the shape may be irregular after steaming process. So make sure that you have little bit at the top. So tap a bit and then prepare for the steaming. Here I have boiled 3 to 4 cups of water in the idli maker and now I am placing the plate inside. Place it slowly. Steam it for about 15 to 20 minutes until a knife or a skewer comes clean. So steam it. After steaming, now I'm checking it by inserting a knife here. Yes, the knife came out clean. So I'll remove this. Cool down a bit and then you have to remove from the plate. See, the texture is so soft. Let me show you by cutting this thing. Yes, see the texture. It is so soft here. See, look at this. I hope you love the recipe. Please do give it a try and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. Thank you.